sickness. I rebuke any kind of disease. I bind any yoke of bondage. Be free in the name of Jesus. Be healed in the name of Jesus Christ. You will be raised and be whole in the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. No weapon of Satan continue to use you. No power of satanic power will continue to use you. In the name of Jesus Christ, mighty, holy, and blessed God, I speak boldly that you will be healed. Restoration of your body shall be served in Jesus'